What's up, guys? Dark Angel TM here with finally a new video to the channel. So, first thing you may notice is in front of you. This is the official computer build. No more new ones. This is the official part that I'm getting. Period. No new ones. Nothing. Okay. So, first off, some questions to answer before I start. Is my voice new? Am I trying something new? No. Just a personality change is all. That's all it is. So, second question. What is all this in front of us? Or front of you? In front of me? Whatever. This is, like I said, the parts list for the computer. So, first off, the case, which is in the picture in the background here, is a Corsair 300R computer case. It isn't a full tower case, but it is big and is a good size. Also has room for whatever you want to put in it. Yes, it is tall enough, big enough, wide enough, whatever. Has enough space for back wiring or motherboard, case, wire, cable management, basically, is what the word I was looking for. Now, it does have room for 8 fans, some 140, some 120, and on the side, 120s or 140s in the front, 120s or 140s on the top. I believe those are 120s. The back, 120 or 140, I think. Yes, it is 120s, strict 120s. Now, there are bottom vans, one for the PSU, one for the others. Now, the question is, what do I plan to put in it? Well, like I said, it is in front of you. I am going to have a Corsair RM 850 watt power supply to power anything that in the future. Whether I want to have dual SLI, 980s, 1080s, whatever it is the future wants to hold. That way I don't have to buy a new power supply to get a new system. Simple, right? Yes. And it's got quietness. I'm trying to get a quiet build. And any fans I'm going to throw into the fan case, I'm going to do it. Simple. Next question is the motherboard. I'm getting the MSI Gaming 7. Why not Asus? Because Asus is so expensive. I'm sorry, but the Asus motherboards are so expensive. The ones that are actually built for gaming. I am sorry, that's just how it is. Sorry. It's gonna be able to have room for whatever I need to put on it, whatever I need to put with it, everything like that. Next thing is the processor. It's gonna be, of course, an Intel processor. Duh. It's gotta be an Intel processor because the Gaming 7 motherboard is only Intel. It's not AMD compliant. Sorry. Next. The processing power of the 4790K? Well, it's 4 GHz space, up to 4.4 overclocking. Now, like any of the K series processors, it is unlocked from out of the box, which means you can clock it over. Will I do that? Possibly not, because I don't have enough cooling power out of the box to do that. Sorry. What will I use out of the box to cool it? Well, I'll use the Noctua NH-U12P CPU cooler. Well, what does that have to offer? It's dual 12 120mm fans, one in the front, one in the back. And it's also not copper, it's nickel and silver. So it's going to be able to cool the CPU so much better than a standardized copper piping CPU cooler. Makes me happier, definitely. Next thing, memory. Well, gotta use something good. I'm going expensive with that end, of course. G-Skill Trident X CL12 memory. It is the 21 PC3 21 series, so it's going to be up there in memory and in cost, of course. But I want to be doing a lot with the computer, so I'm going to have something good. I'd rather spend more on memory than a motherboard, which I can get just about the same out of it, but less. I can't get the same if I go Corsair memory or all that stuff. Next, of course, I'm not going to go really expensive with a hard drive or whatever drive. I'm going to start off with a standard WD Black hard drive, which is of course your standard 7200 RPM 1TB hard drive. That's about it. I'm going to replace it later on, or put with it some Corsair SSDs, probably eventually some OCZ drives. If you haven't heard of them, look them up. I can also do a review over them later, if you like, or tell you guys about them, one or the other. This is about my computer build, so I will do that some other time. Next, what video card are you using? Well, I'm going to use the Asus Strix NVIDIA 960 video card. So, which means I will be able to power any amount of displays that I want to have, anything I would like to go with it, anything like that. It's going to be able to be 4K resolution compliant, but I'm not going to go out and spend $1,500 or whatever, $1,100, over $1,000 on a freaking monitor. I'm going to get a standard 1080p monitor, but it's going to probably be from Asus. But operating system, of course, is going to be Windows 8.1. Then, of course, whenever 10 comes out, because apparently 10 is going to be downloadable free from Windows 8.1 users. So, apparently Windows 10 is easier on your processors than 8.1 is. That's a good thing. I like that. And, well, that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And if you like more, if you want to see this music that I have been playing in the background in a music video, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for letting me rant on about a computer. I will be building this computer by hand, myself, and with a friend. I will introduce you guys to him when I start putting parts together. So, like I said before, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for paying attention, if you're still here. If not, you wouldn't be hearing this. So, thanks again. Peace out, guys.